In the Asian, we got some weird fish on the table, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so right now I'm gonna try the grossest thing in the world. So, and first of all, I'm probably gonna open this, and I'm gonna tell you guys later what it is in there. And this is this. This is a stinky tofu, and because it's so stinky, so I probably will be nasty. Open that. I already smell the stink on that stinky tofu.
So right now I'm gonna microwave it.
Okay, and first of all, I'm gonna take my chopstick, and the Asian guy will have a chopstick all over.
Okay, first of all, this one is the stinky tofu that was obviously, and this one is a half cow ton, huh? See that? That's half that thing, half. So that was a half a cow ton, and then we got this is the half of the pig ear, the small pieces. That stinky tofu is really stinky. It smells like shit for sure, and that's why it's a gut. And you put your shit in here, kind of, so sometime, if you're lucky, you'll eat the shit in here, over here, and that was gross. And this one probably is pretty clean, and this one is a cow stomach, shit, and let's try it out. I'm using selfie stick, so this desk is a little bit lower than I thought, so I'm probably gonna eat like this. First of all, it's gut. Probably. It actually is pretty tasty. And I'm gonna take the pig ear and let's try it on. Actually, it's not that bad than I thought. It's not kind of like tasty, but I don't hate it at all. But it's kind of like a rubber band, like just a little bit chewy. Cow tongue. So stupid. It's really like half a tongue. So let me try it out. It's got a little spot on there. Do you see that? That was really a ton. Ew. Fuck that shit. Kind of have a little bit smell that tastes like beef, but have a little bit smell. Oh shit. And right now let's try the cow stomach. Cow have 4 stomach, and there is one of them called a beehive stomach. That's what we call. This one not bad. It's quite good. This one probably is the best tasty after all. Because, cow tongue? What the fuck is that? You know what I'm saying about? I'm sorry I didn't look at the camera because my screen is over here and my camera is over there, so it's a little bit weird. Hope you guys didn't mind. So that's one I'm gonna try as stinky tofu. And it really smells like shit. I mean, why do people doing that stuff? And you guys probably already know that stinky tofu is the world's disgusting food ever, probably. But that was good. But stinky tofu probably is the best tasting after all. And later I can try the Asian fruit. So wait for a second, and I'm gonna finish all of this because I paid for it. But it's not really good. But I don't hate it. Probably it's because I'm the Asian or something. I'm not hated, but stinky tofu probably is the best. And the second one is probably the cow stomach. And the pig ear is probably the worst. It tastes like a rubber band. If you want to taste like pig ear, you just go chew the rubber band. And so I also got the drumstick. This one probably will be more wash that with a flavor in my mouth. It's disgusting. Oh, by the way, and I taste the cow tongue, half of it. So outside basically it's really like beef, but inside it's more fatter than I thought. So it's pretty, like a marshmallow or something. I don't know, like it's kind of good right now. I, I really feel disgusting right now because oh, you know, after I finish that, I feel like it got, this shitty taste. I don't know how to describe that, but it was so gross, and I really don't want to waste the food, but we wouldn't call that food. It was so gross. Oh. Even I was Asian, but first couple tastes is not that bad, but after you taste it all, you really you know what I'm talking about. That was a cow stomach and a pig gut, pig ear, and a cow tongue. That was stinky tofu. That was so gross. So I'm probably not gonna finish that all, but I don't want to be wasted, so I probably give it to my father.
If you hate about lamb, totally gonna hate that because their smell is like 100 times stronger than the lamb. So I'm probably gonna have some banana, and I'm gonna have the drumstick right now because they really don't, taste it. Ooh, that was hot.
Okay, because the drumstick is too hot, so I'm gonna taste the donut first. I actually don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna call it donut. Fuck, today is nothing tasty. Even if donut is like, what the fuck that I'm buying this? I'm buying this because it's cute, but not really tasty. Fuck that.
Okay, my dad didn't want to eat that shit, so I'm gonna finish that after all. I really hate about eating this type of shit. I actually don't know why I hate it, but I'm an Asian. I'm not supposed to be hating this, but it was so gross. Oh, that's more tasty. And they say 地中海烤鸡腿. I don't know what is place 地中海 in English, but it's a sea in the land, probably in Italian or somewhere, just sea in the land. I don't know why you guys call that in English, but the barbecue chicken is so good. When I eat before, that was so gross. I'm surprising I didn't throw out. So right now, let's try it about Asian fruit. It looks like this. This is really smelling good. I mean, it's kind of like the roses, kind of You know, this fruit only like smelling good, but not taste good. So I'm probably not gonna buy it next time. You know, Asian stuff. I probably will give like 3.2 of 5. It's not that good as I thought, but it's okay. See you next time, Wilson Reptile. You know, I gotta go right the fuck now because I totally late about my work. I mean, even my work is freaking sucks, but I still have to be hurry about that.